Welcome! In today's guide, you'll learn how to prevent Google Chrome from accessing your contacts on your Android phone. Keeping your personal information private is more important than ever, and with just a few simple steps, you can control which apps have access to your data. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings menu. This is usually represented by a gear icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you see the section labeled Apps, or sometimes App Management, depending on your device. Tap on Apps to display a list of all the applications installed on your phone. Now, scroll through the list until you find Google Chrome. When you spot it, tap on Google Chrome to open its app settings. Next, look for the option called Permissions. This section shows you exactly what types of data and features Chrome can access on your device. Tap on Permissions, and you'll see a list that might include items like the camera, location, microphone, and contacts. Find contacts in this list and tap on it. Here's the crucial step. Select Don't Allow. This will immediately block Google Chrome from accessing your contacts. If Chrome ever needs access in the future, you'll receive a prompt and can decide whether to allow it, but by default, your contacts will stay private. That's it. You've now successfully prevented Google Chrome from accessing your contacts on your phone. Taking a moment to review and adjust your app permissions is a great way to keep your personal data secure. If you found this guide helpful, consider checking your other apps and managing their permissions as well. Thanks for watching and stay safe online.